This problem here is all about the equation of a circle. So the second they mention the equation of a circle, we need to remember what that equation is. So I highlighted it right here, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where hk is the center and r is the radius. Now the problem with this problem is that they don't put it in the form of the equation, because that would be far too easy for this problem. So what they do is they give it to us in this form, and we have to know complete the square. Now take a look. We have a quick hit on how to complete the square that if you do need to brush up, I suggest you go take a look at that video. In the meantime, I'm going to show you right now. And the first thing I'm going to do is actually rewrite it to separate the x's and the y's. I'm just going to give it a little space. Oops. There we go. So remember, what we're doing is we're taking half of this number and squaring it. So that's what we're going to do first. Half of 20 is 10, and when I square it, I get 100. So I'm going to say plus 100, and then I'm going to take this 16. I'm going to take half of that and square it, plus 64. Now we've got perfect square trinomials that we can now factor. So that's going to be x plus 10 squared. This one is going to be y plus 8 squared. Now don't forget, we do have to, because we added the 100 here and the 64 here, theoretically we would have to add those on this side. However, for this problem, we don't have to do it because they're only asking for the coordinates of the center, which if we reference our equation here, we realize that the center of this circle is just going to be -10, -8, and that is answer choice B. Not too bad if we have mastered completing the square.